Dear listeners, my name is Dr. John Bosco Jasimbura. As usual, discussing for students, researchers, on how we should conduct our research, and for the students on how they should write their proposals, syntheses, etc. Now, this is contextual perspective. This is the last section of the background of the study using a mean format. A contextual perspective in the background of the study, dear listeners, refers to the part where research explains specific setting, environment, and circumstance in which research problem exists. It shows where, in what conditions, among whom the study is taking place. In simple terms, conceptual perspective is the explanation of the real-life setting that shapes the research problem. It focuses on the study area, location, the socio-economic, political, and cultural environment, the actors involved in community institutions, stakeholders, the conditions influencing the problem. So what is it all about in the background of the study? In the background section, the contextual perspective narrows the study from general to specific settings. It describes the real situation on the ground. It explains local conditions influencing the problem. It justifies why the study is important in that area. It is the mother of the statement of the problem. It gives the rigorness of the problem, of the statement of the problem. A contextual perspective would explain geographical context. For example, in our previous topic, Kawale district is the highland area in southwestern Uganda with fertile soil suitable for potato farming. That is a simple example, but you go beyond that. Now, when we go to the socio-economic context, the majority are smallholder farmers, depend heavily on agriculture. They depend heavily on agriculture for income and food security. If we talk of agriculture context, potato farming is the major cash crop supported by government and NGO. If we go to institutional context, presence of agriculture extension services by the district, by NARO, involvement of development partners and donors, cooperatives, etc. Then we go to the problem context. Despite many projects, sustainability is still low. Now you are bringing the problem in its state. Farmers sometimes have limited participation in project decisions. Why contextual perspective? It helps to show the real environment of the study. Explains why the problem exists in that specific area. Makes the study locally relevant and meaningful. Connect global issues to local reality. What could be the characteristics of a good contextual perspective? Focused on specific location or group, describes real-life conditions, includes social, economic, and institutional factors, clearly linked to the research problem, not too general or global. It should be specific, it should be simple, it should be understandable. Common mistakes which researchers do describing the whole world instead of the study area, ignoring local conditions, giving theory instead of real context, not linking context to the research problem, yet it is the mother of the problem. Being too vague. For example, people farm in Uganda. That is vague. It does not work.